In this tutorial, we'll explore the Cockpit in OCRFI, a centralized place to boost performance by giving managers and employees seamless access to information, all in one place, without the need to navigate across multiple pages. For managers, the Cockpit provides an overview of performance scorecards, contest updates, coaching details for their team members, and the status of their upcoming meetings and board action items status. Employees, on the other hand, can view their performance scorecards, contests, coaching information, upcoming meetings, and board action item status. Let's now walk through how to access the Cockpit and its features. Scorecard section. The first section in the Cockpit is the Scorecard section. At the top, you'll find a list of scorecard names available to you. Clicking on a scorecard name will display its details. By default, the pinned scorecard is shown when you first access the Cockpit. If you have multiple scorecards, the menu will include a More option where you can view all the scorecards available to you. In the top right corner of the scorecard section, you'll see several icons depending on the scorecard type and settings. Period selection dropdown. This allows you to select past periods, such as months or quarters, to review performance. By default, the current period is displayed. Pin icon. Use this to select the scorecard that will load by default when you access the Cockpit. Leaderboard icon. For managers, this icon is always available. For users, it is only visible if the manager has enabled it during scorecard creation. Edit icon. Managers can edit the scorecard using this option. It is not available to users. Background icon. This is available only for managers and applies to scorecards with KPI background types. The data for these scorecards doesn't update live, but is processed periodically in the background. If you need to see the latest data immediately, click this icon to trigger an update. The data will refresh within 5 minutes. User history icon. This icon is available only to employees. Users can click it to view their past performance. Managers can view user histories via the leaderboard by clicking the history icon next to each user's name. Info icon. This shows details about the scorecard, including the manager, start and end dates, and more. To learn more about scorecards, check out our detailed tutorials. Below the scorecard section, you'll find the meeting section. This section shows upcoming meetings with the next 7 days of meetings displayed by default. You can adjust the view using the filter to show meetings for 14, 30, or 60 days, or set a custom date range. In the top right corner of the meeting section, you'll see 2 icons. Create icon. This allows you to schedule a new meeting. Go to Main Meeting Hub icon. This takes you to the Meeting Hub, where you can manage and view all meeting details. For more information about the meeting section, check out the Meeting Hub tutorial. In the right panel of the Cockpit, you'll find 3 important sections: contests, coaching, and board action items. Each section provides a quick overview to help you stay on top of your key responsibilities and activities. At the top of the right panel, you'll find the contest section. Here, you can see the number of live contests available for you. Clicking on this section will display details about ongoing contests below. If you're a manager, you can see the contest details for your employees. If you're a user, you'll see your performance in the contest. In the top right corner of the contest section, there are 2 icons. Create icon. This allows you to create a new contest. Go to Contest Hub icon. This takes you to the Contest Hub page, where you can view a list of completed contests and their details. To learn more about contests, check out the tutorials. Below the contest section is the coaching section. At the top, you'll see the names of the teams you belong to. If you belong to multiple teams, all of them will be displayed. If you're a manager, you'll see the following details for each team member: active coaching, completed coaching, one-to-one meetings, overdue action items, average coach rating. If you're a user, you'll see your number of active coaching sessions, completed coaching sessions, and your average coaching rating. To know more about coaching, check out the video on coaching. Finally, at the bottom of the right panel, you'll find the Board Action Items section. This section helps you keep track of your assigned tasks and their current status. In this section, you'll see the following task statuses: overdue, due this week, in progress, on hold, open. Clicking on any of these statuses will bring up a pop-up with more detailed information about the tasks in that category. To learn more about board action items, check out the video tutorial. With the Cockpit in OCRFI, both managers and employees have all the critical information they need in one place, streamlining your workflow and enhancing performance tracking. To explore more about specific features, check out our other tutorials or visit the relevant training sections.